Today, I'm on a mission to discover which vitamin deficiencies are zapping my energy and how to fix them with food. Are hidden vitamin deficiencies draining your energy? Let's find out together. Could a vitamin deficiency be stealing your energy? Let's dive into how to fix it with food. Vitamin deficiencies are a silent threat to our overall health, and one of the most frustrating symptoms they can cause is fatigue. Imagine feeling sluggish, tired, and demotivated all the time, without knowing what's causing it. That's exactly what happens when our bodies lack essential vitamins. And it's time we took control of our energy levels. Fatigue is one of the most common complaints I hear from people, and many of them don't even realize that it could be related to a vitamin deficiency. They think it's just a normal part of modern life, but it's not. Feeling tired all the time is not normal, and it's definitely not something we have to accept. In fact, vitamin deficiencies are often the underlying cause of fatigue, and fixing them can be a total game changer. If you're feeling tired, sluggish, or just plain exhausted, it's time to consider whether a vitamin deficiency might be to blame. You might be surprised at just how common it is, and how much of a difference correcting these deficiencies can make. So let's dive in and explore the most common vitamin deficiencies that could be zapping your energy. Tired all the time? It might be a simple fix. Discover which vitamins you're missing. Vitamin D is one of the most common deficiencies I see, and it's no wonder why. We spend most of our time indoors, and our bodies need sunlight to produce vitamin D. But it's not just about sunlight. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating our energy levels, and a deficiency can leave us feeling tired, sluggish, and demotivated. A vitamin B12 is another crucial vitamin that's essential for energy production. Without enough B12, our bodies can't produce the energy we need to function, leading to fatigue, weakness, and even mood swings. And the worst part is, many people don't even realize they're deficient in B12 until it's too late. Iron deficiency is another common culprit when it comes to fatigue. Iron helps our bodies transport oxygen to our cells, and without it, we can feel tired, weak, and short of breath. It's a classic sign of anemia, but it can also be caused by a simple iron deficiency. Vitamin deficiencies often go unnoticed, but their effects on energy levels can be significant. By identifying which vitamins you're lacking, you can start making changes that help restore your vitality. It's amazing how such small tweaks in your diet or adding the right supplements can completely turn your energy levels around. For example, adding vitamin-rich foods like leafy greens, eggs, and lean meats can do wonders in balancing out your body's needs and helping you regain that lost energy. Don't wait until fatigue becomes a constant battle. Taking control of your health by addressing potential deficiencies is one of the easiest and most impactful steps you can take. Plus, once you know what's draining your energy, you can put an end to the cycle and feel more vibrant, alert, and ready to take on life. Whether it's incorporating more natural sunlight or adding iron-rich foods to your meals, the solution to your energy crisis could be simpler than you think. I've seen firsthand just how much of a difference correcting these deficiencies can make. I remember a friend who was struggling with exhaustion and brain fog, and after discovering she had a vitamin D deficiency, she started taking supplements and incorporating more vitamin-rich foods into her diet. The change was incredible. She was like a new person, full of energy and enthusiasm. I've also seen it in my own life. When I was struggling with fatigue, I discovered I had a vitamin B12 deficiency, and after starting to supplement, I felt like I had my energy back. It was amazing how much of a difference it made, and I knew right then that I had to share this information with others. Correcting these deficiencies can make a huge difference in our energy levels and overall health, and it's so simple to do. By incorporating more vitamin-rich foods into our diet and supplementing where necessary, we can take back control of our energy and start living the life we deserve. So what's your experience with vitamin deficiencies? Have you struggled with fatigue and discovered that a deficiency was to blame? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on nutrition tips to boost your energy levels.